Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check archive chat in your ChatGPT. So if you want to check the list of archive chat in your ChatGPT, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to open your browser and go to ChatGPT website, which is chatgpt.com, or you can simply use the open source website, which is chat.openai.com. Then this will also refer you to the ChatGPT website. After that, then click on the toolbar icon at the left top corner of the screen. Then tap on the name icon. Then tap on settings. Then from here, then tap on archive chat. You can see, then tap on manage. Then right here, you have no archive chat because I just recently clear my chat history. So all my chat history will be, all my archive chat will be here if I have one. But if you don't have, then you have to add archive chat so that I can have the list of, or check the list of chat history, archive chat that you have in your ChatGPT account. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.